oldest ethnic festival of India is back, spread across 500 acres of land, with more than 5,000 ethnic performers performing in 4 mega stages simultaneously, attracting more than lakhs of visitors from around the globe every year. Experience, enjoy, and learn the vibrant and vivid culture of the Karbi tribe. Welcome and be a part of the 49th edition of the Karbi Youth Festival, organized by the Karbi Cultural Society, starting from 15th to 19th of February 2023, to be held at the Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Kardom.